Thank you for your interest in the Grade 11 Hospitality and Tourism program in Orlando. During this program, students travel to various locations in Orlando to gain a first-hand, engaging learning experience in the field of hospitality and tourism. The course being offered is the Grade 11 Hospitality and Tourism College Preparation TFJ 3C course. This program offers an enriched credit that will leave students ahead of their peers and assist them in making choices towards their chosen pathways. Teachers support the individual needs of their students and provide meaningful and relevant programming towards their success. This blended model of learning requires students to complete some coursework online prior to flying from Toronto to Orlando at the beginning of March break. For the next 7 days, students gain behind-the-scenes view at this industry from experts in the field. Accommodations will be at a hotel in Orlando, and full breakfast and dinner are provided daily. During lunch, students will be allowed free time in small groups to explore Orlando and the various attractions. As on all our programs, all excursions are included in the price of the trip. With many exciting attractions such as a Blue Jays game, a Universal Studios tour, hotel property tours, cooking classes, Rosen College, Clearwater Beach, and more, students will create memories to last a lifetime while connecting their curriculum with the destinations. Contact us for a course outline or itinerary if you are interested in registering. Please visit our website at www.edutravelforcredit.com. The program page provides you with all important details of the course and the travel highlights. Make sure to follow us on social media for updates, reminders for early bird booking, and registration deadlines. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Orlando.